that everybody representing Katsina State is here. Mr. President, while thanking you for the short notice, like the governor said, he spoke to you on Saturday, and you gave today, despite your tight schedule, it shows how important Katsina State is to you and the people of Katsina State. We thank you very much. I think what I would have thanked you more, the governor did, the Wazir in Katsina on behalf of the elders did, the role you played when late President Muhammadu Buhari died. You played a role that was never played in this country. It was a real state funeral for a departed former president. So we cannot thank you enough. But our actions, God willing, will show you that we will appreciate what you have done. This may not be the venue or avenue. For those of us who know you, we know you have the courage, the vision, the ability to confront odds. You have taken very hard decisions. Only leaders can take. Normally, we politicians are known to be afraid of the next election. But the decisions you have taken on behalf of this country are decisions that show that you love the country more than the next election. I'm sure God, Allah in His infinite mercy will be with you. We are assuring you that under the leadership of the governor, Dr. Umar Dukwarada, Katsina will be delivered in all elections to APC, inshallah. The Waziri has listed many items which need your kind attention. And I am sure, knowing you, you will give all the issues he raised necessary attention. My addition to this, in building local communities, we need to build their capacity, skill acquisition. At various levels is urgently needed in order to curb this unemployment. In order for people to know that acquire education is not to go to have a paid job, but you can employ yourself and also employ others. Our youth, Mr. President, the Katsina people are highly talented people, determined, very courageous. You know, there is one singer which says, the people of Katsina are not afraid, but it can be shy. That's what we are. Given the opportunity, our youth will be put to work. They will work. So I think we need to look at serious issue of skill acquisition at micro level. It's not about big and sophisticated. We at TED Fund who have started, and we have started, Katsina is part of the state that we have selected to start this skill acquisition under Katsina Polytechnic, Hassan Usman Polytechnic. So, Mr. President, in addition to what he said, I think we need to look deeper. I know the federal government has spent a lot of resources in empowering youth, and a lot of things are going on. under Federal Ministry of Education and Labor in order to put people on the job, especially the youth, restive youth. So, Mr. President, we cannot thank you enough. We have come with a basket full, but it's only full in Katsina State. But in federal government, it's just a fraction. It's like putting a needle in a cup of water. So it will take very little. So all the requests that the Waziri has enumerated are requests that are within the reach, doable, affordable by the almighty federal government, and your history with Katsina started before Buhari. Your history with Katsina, with late Sheikh Musa Radwa, is a history that is known to us. So your association with Katsina makes you a Katsina man. So this is your request coming to you. So I am sure we will all be going back here happily with a positive answer of yes. Thank you, Mr. President.